In this video, I'm going to show you how to record your screen with Canva completely free. You can record your screen alone, you can record screen and camera, or you can record camera alone within your Canva platform. So to do that, all you need is to sign up with your Canva account. Mind you, this feature only works when you have the Canva app installed on your system. So even if you are on your browser and you try to click on create, you can go to Canva screen recorder. When you click on this, you will notice that this feature only works on Canva application. You can download it or you can open it now if you have not. You can use this link directly to download and install, and you can be able to see the feature. You can have access to record your screen and camera like this, or screen only, and specify the microphone and the screen, and then you can start recording. Very easy and specific and direct. Okay, so let's say I have my own app installed, so I can go to create in here. So once you are here, you can always come to screen recorder. You can click on it and you'll be able to have access to this panel. As you can see it in here, you can enable to show the camera or no camera. You can select the camera that you have. All of the cameras that you have will be shown here, and you can use you can specify microphone that you want to use. These are the list of microphones that you have. You can just select the one that you want to use, and then you can record the entire screen if you're interested, and then you can go ahead and say record. Now you have this countdown timer. Hello, this is just a test of the recording of my screen with this Canva feature. You can see Canva is a wonderful tool that you can have access to. You can see even you can record different things, different screens. As you can see, I'm recording my screen right now, and once I'm done recording, I can go ahead and either pause this or I can click on finish to finish the recording, and you'll now be able to see the result of what you have recorded directly. And you can see this is the result of what you have recorded. It has been imported. You can just go ahead and carry out some basic editings in here, and you can even play a review of what you have recorded. Hello, this is just a test of a recording of my screen with this Canva feature. You can see Canva is a wonderful tool that you can have access to. You can see even you can record different things, different screens. As you can see, I'm recording my screen right now, and once I'm done recording, and I think this is very perfect. You can go ahead, edit, and you can do some splitting, some cuttings and enhancements, and adding audio, media, and background music. And once you're done, you can go ahead and come to share, and you can export this or download this in MP4 and use it for your own content directly. Okay, so you can go ahead, click on download. You can download in MP4 and everything will be processed, and you can have access to your video by just downloading. Okay, you can just download and have it access to your video outside of Canva platform on your PC. If you found this helpful, please leave a like.